How to tie a full Windsor knot. First, place your tie around your neck with the right tail longer than the left. Take the longer tail over the shorter. Take it under and around the left side first. After, take the tail around the back of the knot from the left to the right. Go under and around the right, keeping the tie tight and flat. Take the tail back over the front of the knot, go around and under, bringing it up and out the top. Now take the longer tail back down and through the knot, trying to keep it as tight as possible. Pinch the bottom of the knot to get a triangle and adjust and tighten to your desired look. And that is how to tie a full Windsor knot.